Hello everyone, my name is Roy. I am 12 years old. My school is Dongpe Elementary School. I will talk about the bridge to Terabithia today. Catherine Patterson wrote Bridge to Terabithia in 1978. She wrote many books. She has won the Newbery Medal twice. For Bridge to Terabithia and Jacob Had I Loved in 1981. The writer won the National Book Award in 1979 and was also a Newbery Honor Book. In 2000, it was named a living legend by the Library of Congress. Jess is 11 years old. He is from a poor family. One day, Leslie came to Jess's class and she lived in a house next to Jess's house. They made a secret fantasy world named Terabithia. They went to church together. One day, Jess and his teacher traveled to an art gallery in Washington. When he arrived home, Leslie was hurt and died on her way to Terabithia alone. He was sad, angry, and denial and fear. But Jess remembers her in Terabithia. Jess is 11 years old and he likes running and drawing. He is the king of Terabithia. His family is very poor. His family members are his mom, dad, 4 sisters, and him. Leslie is 11 years old. Family members are mom, dad, and her. She is an only child. She likes to spend time with Jess in Terabithia. She is brave. She is queen of Terabithia. My opinion, first, my favorite character is Leslie Burke because I feel she is brave and has a good relationship. I like Jess too. Second, I like to read this book because the story is interesting and fun. When I found out Leslie died, I was very sad. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Have a nice day.